birds. birds, birds, പക്ഷികൾ. Can you identify this bird's name? Parrot. parrot, parrot, തത്ത. The next bird's name is crow. The spelling of crow, crow, crow. Crow means kaka. The next bird's name is peacock. The spelling of peacock, 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 mayil. The next bird's name is owl. The spelling of owl, 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 moonga. The next bird's name is sparrow. The spelling of sparrow, 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 kuruvi. The next bird's name is duck. The spelling of duck, duck, duck. Duck means taravu. The next bird's name is hen. The spelling of hen, 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 kori. The next bird's name is cuckoo. The spelling of cuckoo, 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 kuyil. The next bird's name is eagle. The spelling of eagle, 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 parundu. The next bird's name is pigeon. The spelling of pigeon, 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 പ്രാവ്.